How to make Notepad++ the default editor for a Windows batch file? In Windows, if you right-click a.bat file, there's an edit option, which opens the bat file with Notepad. How do I make Windows use Notepad++ instead? Note that this is different from the question how do I set Notepad++ as the default editor. In that question, user asks for a way to make Notepad++ the default opener for specific file types. This is not what I want here, since I expect that double-clicking on .bat files executes them.
Change the program associated to the edit verb for batch files. Run regedit as admin. Navigate to he_classes_root /batfile/shell/edit/command. Modify the default and change value data from %systemroot %system32 /notepad.x%1, 2. C column /program files, x86 /notepad++ /notepad++.x%1. Close regedit. Right-click and GT. Edit should now open batch files in Notepad++. Note, you may have to adjust your path to notepad++.x if it resides in a different folder on your system. Also note, this is a system-wide change.
If there are spaces in the file name being edited, then double quotes can be used to surround the argument. For example,
if you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.